Sign conventions for fractions. Remember, signs in division: negative divided by positive, negative. Positive divided by negative, still negative. Negative divided by negative, positive. A fraction is just a division, so the same rules apply. We want to put a minus sign on 3 over 2. A minus sign has 3 possible homes. Minus up top, negative 3 over 2. Minus down below, 3 over negative 2. Same value, minus out in front, same value again. 3 homes for the minus sign, all mean the same negative number. What if we put minuses on both, top and bottom? They cancel, poof. The fraction jumps to positive. Negative over negative equals positive. 1 minus sign, anywhere, means the fraction is negative. 2 minus signs, they cancel, the fraction is positive. 1 minus, minus, 2 minuses, plus. Simplify minus 4 over minus 6. 2 minuses cancel, positive 4 over 6. 4 is 2 times 2. 6 is 3 times 2. The 2's cancel, 2/3. Let's remember, 1 minus, negative, 2 minuses, positive. Simple.